So I had to get into the 1 mil Pint battery box. We're going to flip it over. And these are security bits. It has a hole in the top and it's a Penelope Torx driver, size TS20. Okay, I'm going to hold the two pieces together and then flip it back over. You will need to break the warranty word sticker. And it will be kind of stuck because of the seal, but just lift it off. Take the seal out. So there's two bolts here to kind of hold down the battery management system, and that's going to be a T9 Torx bit. And then you can just lift. To remove the battery, we're going to pull up on the wires at the end here. Lift it up. Pull out a little bit. Disconnect the controller power. So disconnect the PMS connector, stick your finger underneath the wad of wires and push down on this lever there, kind of wiggle it out. Next, take your fingernail underneath the edge of this charging port and just lift it up and out. And for this communication wire, push down on the tab and pull out. Now your battery's free. Then just disconnect the rear light, pull up on this little tab, and pull. To get this grommet undone, just use a large crescent wrench. Something like this. And just unscrew that. Pull that off. And then when you kind of pull this out, you'll notice there's like a grommet here. If you have a hard time getting the rubber that's inside here out, take your screwdriver and push it out from the back. And that makes it really easy. That's how you take out the battery.